What do baseball, Grand Theft Auto, and Hollywood action heroes have in common? They're all being used to sell war in the Middle East to President Trump's political base.
You want to see me do it again?
The clips mix scenes from movies, video games, and sports broadcasts with real footage of US missile strikes in Iran. Some on social media have criticized the videos, saying they trivialize war, but the White House has defended the posts, saying they simply highlight successful military operations in Iran. Analysts say the videos are aimed directly at President Trump's political base, particularly younger male audiences on social media. But they also question how long this strategy might work.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Other experts say the videos reflect a major shift in how the US government communicates during wartime. In the past, administrations often tried to build support across the political spectrum, but speaking directly to a political base rather than the country as a whole, at a time when many Americans have questions about the war, raises concerns about democracy more broadly.